If you have a dog, you know how important they can be to you and your family. They are the source of an incredible amount of joy and happiness as they welcome you and your family every day when you come home. Unfortunately, however, even some of the best behaved dogs are capable of biting someone. Many people don't consider this factor when they first purchase a dog, but you should take it into account and understand Arizona dog bite law. If you have questions or have been the victim of a dog bite attack, please contact us. Our personal injury team is dedicated to helping victims of dog bites receive compensation for their injuries, time lost at work, and pain and suffering. Before continuing, it is important to explain that these same laws apply whether your dog is the one that has bitten someone else, or another person's dog or cat, or if you are the victim of the attack. Whenever a dog bites anyone, the first step taken is quarantining the dog. As a result, it cannot come in contact with any other person and is kept in a fenced yard. In the majority of cases, the dog's owner is asked to quarantine the animal. This means that the owner must keep it inside their home or behind the fence in their backyard so that it cannot come in contact with anyone else. If the owner is unable or unwilling to provide these kinds of accommodations, the dog can be taken to the local animal control shelter for it to be placed in quarantine. While the dog is in quarantine, investigators will determine if any incident has previously occurred where the dog has been the provocateur in a biting incident. If there is a history of the dog aggressively attacking other animals or people, this needs to be known to decide what to do with the dog. In the majority of cases, this is an isolated incident, and the dog is considered to pose a minimal risk to complete action like this in the future. Therefore, the dog owner is let off the hook with a warning or a ticket and asked to keep greater control of their animal as long as there is no history of prior incidences. However, if there are incidences that have occurred before, or if the dog has continued to act in an aggressive manner during the quarantine, then the dog can be declared either a potentially dangerous dog or a vicious dog. When a dog bites a person, such an action is taken very seriously by the governing bodies of the community. The last thing that one wants to see happen is this animal create a reoccurrence of the incident. If you have a dog that has bitten someone else, the best action you can take is to provide an environment that keeps it isolated and ensure that it presents itself in the best possible way. Some investigators can be quite overzealous, which is why you need to take the extra steps to protect your pet. Call our personal injury team at 480-485-4482 to discuss your case today.